Welcome back to the motherfucking vlog.
The mother vlog.
I'm vlogging. You're vlogging.
We're vlogging the vlog, dude.
Yep. Vlogging your vlog. It's the
God bless his food, amen.
Alright, let's see them hands, y'all.
I want dessert.
Let's see them hands.
Show the hands, show the hands.
Let's see the hands.
Look, man, no hands.
I match up the right shirt.
Mic check, mic check. How is a Kapampangan chef made? Mic check, mic check. We're known for our cooking, and that definitely holds true within our family. And it's what has pretty much inspired my career path thus far. As far as I can remember, thinking back, the vibe of growing up in a Kapampangan household. My mother, she has, I think there's 6 of them. So she has 5 other brothers and sisters. And every single one of them know how to cook very well. And they each have their own specialties. And I remember there was always gatherings that centered around food, whether it was a birthday, debut, or just a weekend barbecue. Everything centered around food. And I remember always this competition amongst the brothers and sisters of my mom. And they would, every time they were together in the kitchen, it was this beautiful harmony of working together and also competition at the same time. There was always so much critique. Critique on everything. If there was too much sabaw, if there was too much, if the barbecue sauce was too sweet, too sour, the red rice didn't have enough achuete, it wasn't red enough, anything. There was this healthy competition, and I just remember observing. I was right there in the kitchen next to him, just tasting, observing, asking questions. I was never shy about that. And everybody had their own opinion on how to do things, and gathering information from the 6 brothers and sisters, including my mom, I think it's what has made me the chef that I am today, the Kapampangan chef that I am today. And for sure, it's made me... All right, guys, so 2 things you need to be a wonderful Filipino chef. I'm gonna show you what you need. So right here, the first thing you need is this right here.
It was a chair breaking.
There you go. That's one of the very first signs of an amazing chef. Now, the second thing to make you master chef level, you come around here, right here. Right here. So now this is how you know. If you have this, and then you have this as well.
Or this.
Master chef level. Show 'em.
Or this. Right here.
2 signs of amazing Filipino chef.